Today I would like to share the work we did on the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is actually very, very fascinating and is very unique, and there's only one of it on Earth. So the Dead Sea is located near Jordan and Israel as well. So it's actually, if we look on the map, it's where the African continent attaches to the European continent. So Jordan is in this area right here. And this is where the Dead Sea is. The Dead Sea is located in the desert of southern Israel. It is a natural wonder, has a unique ecosystem and mineral treasures that have been attracting visitors for thousands of years. Then we went onto the internet, so you can find a lot of information at deadsea.com as well. We also used other websites, I think. So we found some fun facts. The Dead Sea is one of the most saline bodies on Earth. So saline actually means water that has a lot of salt in it. And has 10 times more salt than seawater. So it's extremely, extremely salty. It is the largest free spa on Earth. The high content of salts and minerals means that it has powerful healing properties. The use of Dead Sea water for healing since ancient times. So Cleopatra used its products as part of her beauty regime. You can experience floating easily on the waters of the Dead Sea. The high salinity causes natural buoyancy. Buoyancy means you float. So it's so salty that you actually float on top. The Dead Sea is the lowest point on Earth. It is 423 meters below the sea level. The lowest river in the world flows into it, and that is the Jordan River. The possibility of sunburn is reduced because it is so low. There are different atmospheres in between you and the sun. The Dead Sea area is rich in oxygen. The air is rich in oxygen and characterized as the easiest place to breathe in the world. And here we just have written down, so salinity is the high content of the salt in water. There are about 37 billion tons of salt in the Dead Sea. So here we've got some photos of it. So this is the Dead Sea here, and this is basically the beach. It is just salt. It is so salty. Here we have another picture. You can see salt is absolutely everywhere, and I'm actually unsure on how this tree can grow there. Also, when people lay in the water, they actually float. See, you can basically read a book and you won't sink. That's how much salt is in the water. It's very weird. Also, they have built multiple health resorts there, so people can stay there while enjoying the health of the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea also has mud, which is really, really good for your skin, and it's full of minerals as well. So people put it all over their skin, and you can even buy it in the shops. Yeah, so this is the work we did. Oh, I want to show you an experiment. I would like you to do actually this experiment. It's really, really funny to find out. So start with a glass of water, just normal tap water. And you can place a boiled egg in the water and it will actually sink to the bottom. Then, if you place some salt in the water, stir it around a little bit for the salt to dissolve, you will find that the egg will actually start floating. So here we have it floating kind of in the middle of the glass of water. Then we actually placed much more salt in the glass, and we gave it another stir, so it's really super salty. And the egg actually floated at the top surface. So that's how salty it was. It is kind of really fascinating to find out about these things, and this is an experiment you can totally try at home. You just need a boiled egg and a glass and some salt. So research about the Dead Sea, it is very fascinating and clearly very beautiful. Who knows, maybe one day you go on holiday there and you get to enjoy this beautiful resort. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I